creamy, satisfying grits are a Southern favorite. You can use milk, water, or a combination to cook your grits. You need 6 cups liquid for this recipe, so I'm using 4 cups oat milk and 2 cups water. Start by adding your liquid, your grits, and your salt to a stock pot or Dutch oven and cook over medium heat, stirring occasionally until the grits are creamy and the liquid is absorbed, about 10 to 15 minutes. While your grits are cooking, drain your tomatoes. Then remove the grits from the Dutch oven into a cast iron skillet or oven-proof casserole. Cover with foil and set aside. Then in your Dutch oven or stock pot, cook your sausage, bell pepper, and green onion. Add a little oil if necessary. Then add your garlic and your herbs. Add your tomatoes. Top your grits with cheddar or non-dairy cheese if desired. And then top with the sausage mixture. Seal with a foil and bake for 20 to 30 minutes. Once this comes out of the oven, allow it to sit for 10 minutes before serving. This delicious recipe is also great with shrimp in place of the sausage. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to hit subscribe to receive more great gluten-free recipes each week.